Whoever said that they don't like a pink wall has never seen a transformation like this.
This might be the greatest addition to a property that a host can make.
We have the biggest secret for you that not many hosts know about, and they truly miss the mark if they don't use this space. The closet space. They think that, oh, we have a closet space that's used for storage, or the guests want to put their suitcase in it. Wrong answer, because literally nobody uses it. No one's hanging their clothes in there. A closet space that's large enough that you could be putting an amenity in, you should be maximizing, and it will truly skyrocket your ROI.
Especially a walk-in closet, people need to think room instead of storage. Storage can be put anywhere. You can add other storage in other ways. We need to take advantage of this space, and you need to too if you are a host with this situation.
So let's get into it. The key thing here is truly making sure that you're designing for your target market. Let's just say this is in a bachelorette theme style property. We went all in on that theme and have created the ultimate get ready kind of zone for bachelorette groups traveling to wherever this property is.
So here's a before picture of this massive walk-in closet that's being currently completely wasted.
So first off, you want to get rid of those shelves. We're not going to need them in there. It's ideal that you kind of like change out the carpet or put a fresh carpet down, take away from like that builder grade feel, and add in paint, add in wallpaper. We have opted to totally color drench this room. It'll make it appear bigger. We went with this beautiful color of wrapped basil. It's poppy, it's fun, it's pink, and on brand for us.
Where you can't change the carpet, put rugs over top of the carpet. This is such a split decision that we even did a poll on our Instagram to ask everybody what they thought. Doesn't matter, rugs over carpet is totally fine, and in this particular instance, the more is better. It's just gonna feel more luxurious, comfortable, and it's gonna completely and totally change the design.
So in this closet space, we went with 2 zones because it has the room. So on that long wall there, we're gonna use that as a glam bar. Get a custom piece of wood, you can paint it, mount it to the wall. So that's gonna be like their get ready zone. And then you're gonna use these beautifully detailed mirrors alongside, so then you're gonna have multiple girls getting ready at the same time. Pair that with some bar stools, a little tagline of the champagne room, because girls are gonna be having some drinks, getting ready.
Adding some disco balls for accessories is like a huge hit. Everybody loves it. They think it's really fun. Also adds in some nice brightness to the ceiling. Light fixtures go as glamorous as you can in a space like this. Adding in a couch for some seating, and then a beautiful champagne tree really just ties all the space together and makes it a total experience.
And where the couch is, that was strategically placed because the backdrop of it, we opted to do some wallpaper there as well, kind of change away from the paint, but that becomes a selfie zone. So once the girls are all ready and glammed up, they're all gonna pile on that couch and take a selfie. They'll post it, they'll promote your property, and it will just totally make it pop even more with a neon sign. You guys know we love a neon sign moment. Put a fun saying. We went with cheers to the freaking weekend. That's an iconic saying. It'll just truly be such a fun moment for everybody.
So here's what it would look like after all these design changes.
So grab your girls and go get the champagne and go enjoy the champagne room. The opportunity in these amenity spaces are endless. If this is something that you are lacking in your properties, reach out to us. We love designing these amenity focused zones and spaces.
We can do either an entire house or just your one walk-in closet. Let us know what you need.
So we went on total brand of doing something for the girls, but you could totally do something for the guys too.
Also kids too. You can make a little playroom, you can make a little baby room. There's so many things you can do with your walk-in closet. So do not sleep on this opportunity, you guys, and don't use it for storage.
Don't use it for storage.
To shop all of these products, just head to the description below and subscribe to our channel. We have so many other videos just like this. And let us know if you guys have any suggestions. If you want to see us make over any properties, you can definitely submit your Airbnb, your hotel, your restaurant to us on our website, or drop it in the comments what you think we should work on next.
Cheers!
Cheers.
I wish it was champagne.